What up, what up? It's a nice day outside. Today, we about to go to Chef Creole. We're about to try some Haitian food.
What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome to Miami. We're going to Chef Creole. It's gonna be a good time. Better believe it.
You heard it. It's about to be a blast. I'll take you on a journey with me.
Made the Chef Creole, home of the famous shrimp and sauce.
Yeah, man. I'm about to try that. About to try it. About to really try it.
Number 9?
Yeah, on there. Yeah.
Okay. What do you call it?
Yeah, what do you call it? Yeah.
Okay, you want banana free?
Yeah. We got the watermelon jus.
No problem. Anything to drink? What? Alright, anything else?
That's it.
Okay.
Try the food right now, man. I'm about to literally try this food.
Don't listen, bro. Don't listen, bro.
I don't listen.
Listen, bro.
I don't listen. What is this man talking about? I don't listen.
I told you, they're famous for the shrimp and sauce, bro.
So they're famous for?
The shrimp and sauce, man. I told you, come here and get the shrimp and sauce. You got fried shrimp.
Fried shrimp.
I never had the fried shrimp. If you're gonna tell the people about fried shrimp, that's gonna be on you. I'm here to tell you about the shrimp and sauce, you feel me? I'm here to tell you about the shrimp and sauce.
Well, I'm gonna just do the fried shrimp. All right, guys.
Nah, man.
Scratch that.
Nah.
This is the fried shrimp. This is it. I'm about to try it.
Yo.
It is crunchy. It got good seasoning in it. Yeah, this is very good.
Yo,
very good.
Yo, say what up to the vlog, bro. Say what up to the vlog, bro.
Yes, sir.
Say what up to the vlog, bro.
Oh, y'all making a vlog. Gangsta. What up? Wow. You already know Kid Trippy over here. Now, me, out here in the central cooking. You feel me? Now, I'm doing my fuck with y'all.
Well, you know that's the gang, man. We out here, man. If you're ever in Miami, come to Little Haiti and try out Chef Creole. Their food is amazing. It's amazing. You need to come and check it out if you're ever in Miami.